So hello guys, welcome back to Jay's and JJ's Kitchen. So today we're going to try to make a quick coleslaw. That being said, we're going to come back, show you our ingredients and get started. So okay, for our quick little coleslaw that we're gonna make here today, I've got a bag of basically it's called tricolored coleslaw. Got us a 2-pound bag. We've got vinegar, we've got milk, we've got salt. Salt, pepper. Got some onions, some minced onions here. I got lazy and didn't want to chop up onions, so I've got some minced onion here. We've got buttermilk, and we've got sugar. So this one is going to be, what should I say? I guess I like coleslaw, but I don't really like the vinegary one. I kind of like more mayonnaise in mine. If I could compare it to anything, I would probably say it's more like, if you're familiar with KFC Coleslaw. So it's kind of based on that. So you can kind of take that and adjust this recipe to more so to your taste. If you like it more vinegary and less mayonnaise, and you'll see how I kind of put mine together. Matter of fact, now that I mentioned mayonnaise, I didn't have it out here in my ingredients list. So here we go. Here is our mayonnaise. So now, that being said, we're ready to put this coleslaw together. We're going to come right back and show you how we do it. So okay guys, so we got our coleslaw. Basically, I'll just call it cabbage, a shredded cabbage in our little bowl here, and it's no certain, what should I say? No certain order, I guess, as far as adding your ingredients. I picked up this onion here, so we're going to try to get us, hopefully we will, a couple of tablespoons of onions in there. Going over a little bit, but that's just me. Get us about 1/3 of a cup of sugar. One thing I did not show or put out in my ingredients list there was lemon juice. I actually use real lemons. So I'm gonna start out there with that. There again, like I say, it's basically to your taste. I started out with 1/3 cup of sugar, and we will adjust from there. We're gonna start out with about 1/2 cup of this mayonnaise here. There again, once I get this in here and start mixing it, I'll see then, for my taste, if I need to add any ingredients to it, any more of our ingredients to that. Same as the mayonnaise and everything else. So we're going to start out with 1/4 cup of our buttermilk. Same thing on our milk, 1/4 cup of milk. See if we can get 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going with real lemons. If you have the actual bottled lemon juice that you can buy in the store, that works well too. Normally, I've used that too, but I just happen to have some lemons here today, so didn't want them to go bad. So this is what we're going to do with them. We are going to use the lemon juice for our coleslaw. I think I will call that 2.5. About a tablespoon of vinegar. You can use white or cider. Good 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And the same with the pepper. Not going to measure it. We're just going to crack us some pepper over it. Get some good coverage there. And that's going to be good. All that's left now is just to mix this up, and we will be done. Let me get this other spoon. Ooh. Kind of similar to just making a regular salad. If you've never made this before, you get your salad dressing on there, or you get, which looks like a small amount. And once you start mixing it up, it kind of starts to your level starts to dissipate on you. Same thing you'll see here. So get this mixed in there pretty good. So one thing before you start to add, if you look at it and say, it doesn't look like enough, don't have enough mayonnaise or milk or something in it, before you start adding anything, make sure you mix it well first and go from there. Because like I say, you start out kind of like a good amount of cabbage there, or coleslaw, your coleslaw mix. And once it gets that liquid on there, it dissipates, and you'll see it is enough. And so with that, we're going to call this a wrap. We've got our coleslaw here. You can see homemade coleslaw, very simple, quick, and easy. And like I say there again, it's up to your taste. If if you get to this point, now you can check it and see if, like I say, if you like more mayonnaise like I do, you can add your mayonnaise to it. If you want it more of a vinegary taste, by all means, you just add the vinegar to it. And there again, same thing with your sugar as far as the sweetness of it. Just it's up to your personal preference. With that being said, we're going to wrap this up. Hope you guys enjoyed it.